Here's a quick little tip. Our garbage disposal currently is not spinning, and I'll show you what that sounds like right now. Okay, so there's no spinning happening. So basically underneath the garbage disposal, I'm going to take a little Allen key tool, and directly below the garbage disposal is an Allen key shaped thingy that you take an Allen key and you just kind of wiggle it through. Okay, that's a look at the bottom of the garbage disposal. Just kind of get that tool in there, give it a quick little wiggle. Just kind of turn those blades manually. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that's it. So what happens is something gets lodged in between in there, and then using that tool you're able to kind of dislodge whatever is stuck between the blades. And that's a quick little tip in case your garbage disposal is not spinning correctly. Go ahead and take an Allen key tool to the bottom of that thing, give it a little wiggle, a couple of quarter turns back and forth, and that should do the trick. Hope that helps.